Have I got one of the most beautiful, unbelievable, engraved, customized knives, pocket knives I've ever come across. So I've reviewed a lot of pocket knives before for this channel. And you guys know how much I care about presentation. You guys know how much I care about quality, craftsmanship, dedication to making sure that your product is as high quality as possible. How do companies adapt to different audiences, and how do they really forge a path to customer care and customer user experience? Wow. Founding Forgers. Look at this awesome box that this comes in. Watch this. Folds this way. And then look at this beauty right here. First of all, it comes with, which I think is emblematic of how much a company cares about their product. It comes, hold on a second, comes with a lifetime warranty. A lifetime warranty. I mean, you don't find too many products out there or companies who are willing to give you a lifelong warranty. And here it is in the box. Look at this. I mean, when you hold this thing, you feel, look at that clip. It has a clip right there. Look how cool that is. Do you see that clip? Look how cool that is. It's awesome. When you hold this knife, oh my goodness, look at that. This blade, the craftsmanship, the quality, it is durable, unbelievable craft quality D2 steel. Can you see that right there? Comfortable grip, ambidextrous design. Holy macadamia nut. Is this thing amazing, or is this thing absolutely amazing? I'm blown away by this. This, ladies and gentlemen, is phenomenal. It just is. It's absolutely phenomenal. And I think easy to close. Look at that. So you have your little thing right here. You're going to push this to the side and it closes. Oh my goodness. This is fantastic. I mean, it truly is a symbol of lifelong mastery, quality, and craftsmanship. I can tell you right now that this thing is beautifully sharp. I highly, highly recommend this. I'm going to go out on a limb here and just go ahead and say that I think this might just be the greatest pocket knife on the marketplace right now. I'm not even kidding you. I think it's that good when you feel it, when you hold it, when you use it. It just feels like one of those, products, those once-in-a-lifetime products, speaking of lifetime warranty, that are just absolutely pregnant with quality and craft. I love it. I cannot recommend this enough. Highly, highly recommend this Founding Forgers beautifully crafted pocket knife. Can't recommend this enough. 10 out of 10.